what it means to be Tama'ita'i Samoa. Your Samoan is impeccable. Where did that come from?
It goes back to how I was raised, but also how I apply how I was raised. I think that second part is also just as important. Your parents can feed information, but it's also how you receive it and then how you put it out into the world. Receiving mulimaya muamai. Those of us who came later always ask for input from those who came before us because it came with experiences, it came with knowledge. Although we're going to go into the future and learn all these new advancements, this new technology, there's always, for me personally, at the back of my head, just saying that no, you need to hold on to this in order to go forward and continue moving forward. For anyone who fears that they might not be as fluent or not, practice in prayer is just as important. You can thank my parents, my whole family for making sure that we carry the values of being Samoan. We hold true to our essence as caretakers, not only caretakers of the land, but especially our parents and our family.